Good morning. Are you Luciano Sevilla Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Sevilla, the best you can, would you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you. You can put your hand down. And Mr. Parker, will he waive the formal reading of the motion?
Here we go.
Mr. Sevilla, in clause number 2239617, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation November 30th of 2022 for the 3rd-degree felony offense of stalking, and that was a 7-year term in prison that was probated for 10 years. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The motion alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed the new offense of criminal mischief May 23rd of 2026 in Orange County, Texas. And is that true or not true?
That's true.
Count 2 alleges that you committed the offense of stalking May 22nd of 2026 through May 28th of 2026 in Orange County, Texas. And is that true or not true?
That's true.
Count 3 alleges that you failed to, it's really the same.
It is, Judge. This was a motion that was filed rather quickly at the court's request, so I put everything.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I appreciate that. I'm going to skip 3. Count 4 alleges that you violated a term and condition of your probation by prohibiting the possession of a firearm, in that you were in possession or observed in a video displaying and possessing a shotgun and a red shotgun shell in November of 2025. Is that true or not true? Count 5 alleges that you violated the term and condition of your probation that required you to have no contact with the victim, Cynthia Gonzalez, and that on May 23rd of 2026, you sent text messages to Cynthia Gonzalez in violation of that order. Is that true or not true?
That's true, ma'am.
Count 6 alleges that you are behind in your court-assessed fees as of June 2nd of 2026 in the amount of $349. And is that true or not true?
That was complicated. I wasn't pay. I never had problems paying.
Well, it was just as of that date. So that's fine. I'll put not true for 6. All right. Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, and 5 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true?
They're true.
All right. Then I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, and 5 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to reset your case for a sentencing hearing. Ask the probation department to do an updated report. Obviously, if there's any evidence with regard to the firearm allegation in count 4, we can hear that. It shouldn't take too long if you want to have somebody here on that.
Well, Judge, and just so you're aware, I did contact Orange County DA's office last week. They do not yet have that case. In anticipation of these pleas of true or not true, I reached out to them. Also reached out to Detective Taylor at the Bridge City Police Department. I would like to bring him at the sentencing regardless of these pleas for the court. I think it'd be important based on the fact that he's on probation for the stalking. It's the same victim, Ms. Gonzalez, in both cases. I've handled it since the beginning of it. So if you would allow us a little bit of extra time, I'd like to bring that detective
Sure.
as well.
And we can do that on a regular morning docket, but yeah, that would be.
You note I'll have a witness or two.
Okay. Do you anticipate witnesses?
That's my client.
Okay. So we'll just make a notation that there'll be witnesses and maybe put this one at 11 for a sentencing, and we'll get an updated pre-sentence report. Anything that you think is important for me to know, get that information to Mr. Parker.
And then I'll give him later. I understand.
Yeah, just you'll talk before sentencing, and he'll present all that to me on your behalf when we come back. All right. Go back with the bailiff.